With a top speed of over 150 miles per hour, the lightweight Kawasaki ZX-6R is a formidable weapon on and off the track. In addition to being a very powerful bike, it also has powerful looks to match. Available in 4 different color configurations and more aggressive styling, this is one potent bike.
Yo, I cannot believe that some of that is made by AI. Okay, we'll get back to that in 1 second. What's up, y'all? It's Tyson Wolf, and I'm back for another video. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Remember to be thankful for your freaking life today, because you ain't have to have it. I'm getting hot. Listen, we need to talk about freaking AI, and I apologized about the background in the last video. Just moved, haven't got stuff set up yet. Here we are. AI, okay? AI is such a touchy subject in today's world, and personally, I've kind of avoided it for a while. I know a lot of y'all that's creatives, photographers, filmmakers have avoided it for a while. And I want to paint this picture for you real quick. I remember, and I might be foreshadowing my age right here. I'm 21, by the way. But I remember watching the movie I, Robot, and how all of these machines turned against the humans and all that other good stuff. I played Horizon Zero Dawn and Horizon Forbidden West. Okay, I played Detroit Becoming Human. I played and watched all of these plots about AI over and over and over. So I understand where the hesitance of it is coming from. People have a fear that AI is going to either become weaponized or it's going to become so freaking good that it's going to start jeopardizing their jobs, okay? I want to hone in on the creative people, right? Because as creatives, a lot of these AI tools that are coming out are meant for creatives, right? I get we get ChatGPT, which is like the cheat code to freaking life, right? But then we got services like Adobe Generative Fill, we got CapCut and Final Cut Pro able to do captions now. You got, the services in DaVinci, and I'm gonna bring up CapCut again because for free, CapCut lets you like adjust people's face and nose and all that stuff in video in real time, which is wild. It's based off of AI, but we're starting to see AI pop up literally everywhere. And I don't know like where this sudden explosion of AI came from. I don't know if it's just computing power. It's just so fast now that we have enough juice for AI to be AI, right? But then you also got to think that somebody's coding AI, okay? Which is why I also don't think AI will ever overtake human intellect, at least not yet. I can't speak for 50 years because who knows, in 50 years, AI might be terraforming itself and all of that other good stuff. What I'm saying is, I understand where the hesitance to AI is, because I, up to recently, have dealt with a whole lot of it. It's made me question stuff like, man, look at all these AI generated photos. People are using like generated thumbnails on Midjourney for YouTube. People are using Adobe Generative Fill and all of this other stuff. And it's starting to make me think like, am I required? Like, am I still needed to do these creative things where you got all these AI services doing this stuff? And the answer, I believe, is still yes. I'll go back to that in a minute. Whether you like AI or not, creator, photographer, filmmaker, whatever it is that you are, it's here to stay, okay? At this point, this is a pivotal point. You have a choice to make. You can either utilize it to make your job easier, or you can fear it and cancel yourself out because you think it might overtake what you want to do. Let's talk about the video that you watched at the intro. I remember about 10 years ago, I became fascinated with voice acting, right? I used to watch National Geographic, I still watch National Geographic all day, every day. I watch the Animal Planet shows and car shows and stuff like that. And I always used to wonder, like, how much do the people that narrate these films and documentaries get paid? So I started to look into it and come to find out, it was a lot more involved than I thought. You have to understand atmosphere, inflection, like all of those things. And to become a voice actor is actually a pretty lengthy process to get to a point where you are, you have a body of work and people are willing to pay you for it. On the flip side to it, I was wondering like, well, how much does it cost if I ever want to add that to my videos? Because I used to shoot client projects and I wanted narration. Come to find out, mad freaking expensive. So the reason why I showed you this clip at the beginning is because I am starting to like feel like I was wrong about AI. AI is actually a really, really useful tool, and you got to stop being scared of it because it can make your job easier. This voiceover, let me play it again real quick.
With a top speed of over 150 miles per hour, the lightweight Kawasaki ZX6R is a formidable weapon on and off the track. In addition to being a very powerful bike, it also has powerful looks to match. Available in 4 different color configurations and more aggressive styling, this is one potent bike.
If I didn't know that AI existed and somebody played that for me, I would be like, that sounds crazy good, right? And I've used some of these voice generators online and I can never seem to find like the right one. I could get the inflection right, that could get the emotion right. They all just sound like freaking robots. So I want to show you what this is, and this is actually new. And this is actually brought to you from my channel sponsor, Artlist. And this is something that, and before you leave, like you have to see this. Do not leave because I want to show you this. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to Artlist, and this is actually a new feature they have called Voiceover. Now, part of the problem with using some of these other online voiceover generators is you run into this gray area of who does the material belong to? Because if AI created it, technically that's not a person, even though a person created the AI. So it gets hairy when you start to use assets and all of that stuff created by AI, because you wonder, if I post this to my channel, am I gonna get a copyright claim? Like, is somebody gonna try to sue me, or can somebody sue me, or all of that good stuff? So I'm not gonna sit here and like tell you everything about Artlist. I talk about them all the time. I use them for everything from music, sound effects, all of that good stuff, and it's all copyright free. But what's dope about this new voiceover feature is it is also copyright free. Let's go over to the voiceover tag. As you see, the ultimate AI voiceover for video creators is here. So what I love about this is it was actually made to help creators out. It was actually made to help creators do our jobs better. And it's actually super easy to use. It's super intuitive. So all you need to do in here, this box, you type in whatever it is that you want to say. I'm just going to type something in real quick. I am filming with the incredible, and I mean incredible, Sony A7R. A7R5. And sorry, my air conditioner just turned on, and good thing because I'm freaking hot. Also, while you're in here, you can preview what the voices sound like. And here's how you choose the different genders and also the different categories. There's more stuff being added in here, but I am filming with the incredible, and I mean incredible, Sony A7R5. Let's hit generate. I'm gonna let this play in real time, okay? All right, let's play it.
I am filming with the incredible, and I mean incredible, Sony A7R5.
I'm gonna go back though because I want to try a different one. And I'm gonna actually switch over to Esteem, which I selected already, and I'm gonna hit generate. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play this.
I am filming with the incredible, and I mean incredible, Sony A7R5.
Okay, now if I wanted to, I could go up here and change a few things about this. I could change it from flat to expressive, so I want this to be a little bit more expressive, okay? And I don't want it to change that much. In Style Boost, I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit, and I'm gonna hit generate again. Okay, let's check this one out.
I am filming with the incredible, and I mean incredible, Sony A7R5.
That's crazy. Like a few little tweaks and I was able to get it exactly how I wanted it. Now, all I gotta do is download this and add this to whatever project I'm working on. Now, here's the dope part about this. If you already have Artlist Max, this is included in your subscription already. But if you don't have Artlist Max, then you can change whatever plan you want to an Artlist Max plan to get the voiceover benefit. And if you don't want to do that, then you can do just the voiceover plan by itself. And you do get a few free credits if you just want to sign up for the Artlist free plan to try it out. And remember, if you sign up for an annual Artlist plan, I can actually offer you 2 months for free, but you got to use the link in the description to get that. And shout out to Artlist for sponsoring today's video. As content creators, we're going to start seeing more and more AI tools. The last Final Cut Pro update now has AI in it. DaVinci Resolve has AI. Premiere probably will never get AI, but that's a whole different subject. We got all these mobile apps and mobile things on our phones that have AI in it. We are at a crossroad, like I said earlier in this video. AI is here to stay. And if you are any type of good at what you do, then AI shouldn't scare you. AI doesn't scare me off to a point where I don't want to create anymore. It just makes me want to figure out ways that I can use AI to help my workflow, such as captions, such as voiceover stuff just like this. I won't use AI for anything that kind of compromises my creativity. Like, I don't want AI doing that for me. But what I will use it for is to help me creatively express myself. If the freaking computer apps and all that stuff can make it easier for me to get my vision onto a video platform so somebody can watch it and receive it, then so be it. You have to adapt or you get rolled over. And I don't want to see none of y'all get rolled over. So if you haven't started using AI, start exploring all the different apps out there. Like Midjourney is fire. CapCut has a ton of AI stuff in it. ChatGPT is fun to just go on there and mess around with it. Like, it's crazy the stuff that AI is capable of, and it will only get crazier as time goes along. And you don't want to get left behind, because right now it's about to blow up. Okay, anyways, let me know what y'all think about AI down in the comment section. I'll be down there kicking it with y'all. I noticed that a lot of y'all keep coming back watching my videos, but you're not subscribing, so let's go ahead and change that. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that you get notified when new videos go up. Till next time, I'm out of here. Tyson Warfield. Peace and chicken grease. I'm out, y'all. Much love. Peace.